Like, subscribe, and share.
Hey, who likes McGriddles from McDonald's? I do. But since I've been eating keto, I haven't been able to have that. So I came across something, it's called a Chaffle. So I'm going to make that for you because it's one of my new favorites for breakfast. First thing I'm going to do is plug up my mini dash chaffle maker. Okay, and in order to make these, it takes 1 egg. I'm doing it in my KitchenAid. You'll see why in a minute. 2 tablespoons of soft cream cheese. A teaspoon of the monk fruit. That is the best sugar replacer I have ever used. No aftertaste, tastes just like sugar. So a teaspoon of that. A teaspoon of pure vanilla. All sounds really good and simple so far, right? I'm going to put a teaspoon of sugar-free maple syrup in there. This is what gives it that fantastic McGriddle flavor. And the part that's crazy, mozzarella cheese. No, I'm not joking. 2 tablespoons of mozzarella cheese. Okay. We're going to put this over in the KitchenAid and mix it up, and I'll show you what it looks like in a second. Okay. I mixed this up for a couple of minutes. That's what your mixture looks like. So I'm going to open my waffle makers. They've gotten hot just in the couple of minutes it took for that. Okay. You put your waffle makers in a paper plate so in case they overflow, it doesn't get all over your counter. You put a 1/4 cup of the mixture in here. Let's hope that one's about right. Sometimes, depending on the size of your eggs, you have a little over a 1/2 cup. But we're going to put that on there, and it'll take 3 or 4 minutes for it to get done. Rule of thumb on this is going to start steaming here in a couple of minutes. You leave this cooking until it gets done steaming. So when it gets done steaming, I'll open it and I'll show you what to look for next. Okay, it's been about 4 minutes or so. The steam has really slowed down on the mini dash. So, yeah, that's done. You take them out and you set them on a little cookie rack and let them cool for a few minutes. That way they firm up, because these are meant to be like a substitute for bread. So after they've cooled, you can either eat them at room temperature or you can pop them in a toaster and crisp them up even more. And you can also make a huge batch and store them in the refrigerator or freezer, and that will last for probably a week or so. But the way that we like to eat these is I like to get the chaffle. I like to get a piece of sausage, a folded scrambled egg, and a piece of cheese, and make me a sandwich. And that is fantastic. Our whole family likes them. So give it a try. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I'll put the recipe in the comments. Hope you guys like the video. Share. In the last segment, I told you about making these ahead and freezing them. Well, look at what I did. We actually made 30 of these, and I'll put them in the refrigerator and they should last a couple of days. All I have to do is throw them in the toaster, heat them up, and they're ready to go. So give it a try. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.
Like, subscribe, and share.